Hey YouTube, I'm making my first video. Stopped by Lowe's and I got this Craftsman. It's a LED headlamp. It's a model CMXLHB1. It's 250 lumens. We'll see how it works. Has a heavy duty housing, non-slip headband, area light, red area light. So try it out.
Here it is. It's a Craftsman. Looks pretty good for as far as size it is. I think it's like $16. So, open this. Take this out. Turn on the first mode. Okay, we'll try it out outside. It'll give us an idea of how far it reaches. That's the first light mode. We'll try the second one, just a little dimmer. So now we'll try the area light, which is even though you can't really see it.
So the area mode. So still can't. This is a red one. Kind of gives us an idea of. So here's this. Put it to the side. Also got this. It's a folding pocket knife. So I actually kind of liked it when I saw it. So that's the only reason why I picked it up. So ball bearing. Serrated and straight edges, durable stainless steel blade. And this one is a CMHT10935. So this will give this bad boy a try too. Here it is. So texture feels nice. I think it's like plastic on the outside, but for $10 it's not bad, feels pretty sharp. So. Looks pretty nice. So I think that's it for this video, guys. So we'll see you in the next one whenever I buy some more tools.